Happy Friday, traders, again for the night stream. Here we are, episode 349 of the show. Cover Crypto, thanks for the lighting change, man. Appreciate it. Didn't like the white. I don't know, man. I always feel like I'm in a hotel if it's white, but yeah, Weekend Warrior stuff happening right now. Dude, y'all won't even believe. I went to some restaurant that I won't even mention the restaurant name, but I went there, placed an order, and then like, I don't know, 30 minutes go by, and then the waitress comes up and is like, hey, is your food here? Is it gotten here yet? I'm like, you tell me, right? And yeah, the person was new and they forgot to put the order in, so you know, we took care of it. They like comped it and stuff, but like it was like, I don't know, over an hour or something. It was weird. It wasn't fun, but whatever. Anyway, that's where I've been. That's why I'm late. So anyway, someone's talking about VeChain trying to do things. I don't know, man. I don't really see it doing things. It's like trying to, and look at the daily. If you want to, real quick, we can. Whatever. Here it is. VeChain trying to do things.
VeChain doing things.
It's respecting a downslope and resistance on a daily time scale. That's what it's doing, dude. Right? Or am I crazy here? Is this just crazy? Is this John Wayne Jesus, man? We are not until we have not broken out. We tried. We're flirting, right? But let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens if we can break it. We got targets if we do. And weirdly, you know, we talk about the day stream, high to low, 38% retrace is nothing, right? It's already at 4,205. 50% 618. I mean, you know, maybe you could have some sort of position. One could, you know, for a long, like low risk, you better have a tight stop, you know, in case the train takes off to 44.99, right? 4,500 or 47.93. But a simple bump and run target is always like the top of the downsloping resistance that has been broken, right? That's what you'd be looking at. So we'll see, man. VeChain can do things. Okay, dude. Okay. Anyway, no volume on this move on Bitcoin, dude. It's like whatever. I don't even know. I don't even know if I believe it. It's like nobody knows nothing no more. All right. Sopranos thing. Like you could also just be like, hey, man, what about this touch point and this touch point, right? Well, that's the case. You hadn't broken out. What about this touch point, man? Right? Oh, it's just a channel now. Oh, okay. Right. It's low volume stuff. Okay, it's consolidating. We have it like this. We're just leaving it like that for now. Kind of broke out, whatever. But if someone wants to talk about the wick making the adjustment, then all of a sudden you're like here, and you haven't broken anything, right? Probably the way it is. That's probably the way we could look at it. Just adjusting touch points. So whatever, man. Lower levels of negative momentum with lower prices. Then we kind of actually made a technical higher low, higher candle close than before. Barely. Gonna double bottom or whatever. Audio seems okay. Alright, let's say hey to chat real quick and then we'll just like move on or something. So about Brandon Green, what is 47? Peter Paul Morgan, Steve Schmitz, Dustin Witt, Game Here. Good to see you again, dude. Johnny Bull, what's up, man? VeChain about to do things. Yeah, I mean, dude, it does seem kind of like primed, right, to do that. I'm still getting a little weirded out with the music. That should be okay right there. Perfect. Oh, Jules Santana, man. What's up, dude? Good to see you, as always. Jeremy S. Matt Schaffer. What's up, dude, again? Mr. Schaffer, dude. Steve Schmitz. Phil Centura. What's up, Might? Skyward is present. I think I saw you saying something about VeChain. Like, kind of like glanced at it for a second. Dan Styles, thanks, man. Hey, what's up, Mitch Gray from Straya? My doppelganger, whatever, from around the world. Luke Patient. Crypto Cracker, hello. Oh, clinking beer mugs. What's up, Kang Logan, dude? Give me a clanking beer mug. I'll clank my beer mug if you do, okay? Skyward, there you go, man. Question asked, question answered, right? A little bit. Nothing goes wrong at Nothing Burger, a vegan-friendly experience. We always meet our targets. Oh man, that's crazy. But if it's vegan, do you always meet your target? You wouldn't meet, because that would be inhumane to meet your target. King Logan, come on now. It's close. It's a pun, but it might be scary. Some vegans might be offended, dude. You don't want to do that. They'll get you, dude. Whoa, there goes all my chat. Holy crap. Hey, Billy Langford, man. What's up, dude? Yeah, fireworks for Side Girl. Maybe we'll get it tonight. Maybe. We didn't get it today at all. What's up, Tom H? There's Julia Goskuski. Welcome to the stream. Peter Freeman. Toilet Brush. Welcome, dude. Nice name. P. Miller, man. Oh, my God. Y'all are amazing. XR Pay, US Day. Get it over with. Whatever, man. What? It's still a triangle? Yeah, it's still a triangle. It's still a weekend. Just become the weekend. Whatever. I don't know, man. You know, you had downsloping resistance. You broke it, but then you just failed to break the downsloping trend line of the symmetrical triangle. You failed again earlier today. And so just going sideways below the 20 and 50 moving average. And below the 200. Below all three moving averages. Believe it or not. It's happening. Alright, so, I don't know. Falling wedge, triangle, measured moves. Whoa. Golden zone. Right, the golden zone. Between the 382 and the 618. 35.4 cents to 39.7 cents. You would expect a minimum target of that if the falling wedge was to complete itself as a trade, right? Okay. Whatever. Same thing. But whenever. We're going to look at Cloak and all the other scrubs again. Okay, we're going to do that. Because some people didn't get to see that. And I think it's like... It's definitely a good day when Scrub S coins get delisted from exchanges. So, it's a big win for crypto. And for the long-term crypto, it's a great day. Great day, man. Yeah, there you go. There you go, Larly, man. Within the consolidation, pin it. It's really a win it. Okay, Larly, can we agree that it's a win it, a wedge and a pin it together? All right. Hey, what's up, 1G Project, dude? Slow motion weekend, Coach K. Isn't that the way it should go, though? Shouldn't life be a little slower on the weekend for us all? Yeah, it should. I'll just answer for everybody and say that. Okay. Ethereum. Cool, dude. Okay, so, you know, whatever, dude. Multiple schools of thought. You know, your broadening top probably isn't really a well-matured pattern. It has a couple touch points. I think Bulkowski wants 3 touch points on both sides for these broadening patterns. That's what that downsloping trend line is. It's like right here too. So, but anyway, you could probably just look at it like an impulse up and upsloping consolidation, which is really not good for the sake of a long-term move or anything, because like you don't have areas of accumulation, so it just upslopes. Okay, depending on what Bitcoin does, it would pin it. Maybe if Bitcoin broke to the outside, then Ethereum would pivot and run up to maybe hit a 50% retrace at 134.95. But clearly right now, from a high point from January 4th, 5th to the low point February 6th, we've retraced only 38% of the way, and we can't really break above it. We've failed 1, 2, 3, 4 times ish, okay, to break that to 382. So, but still holding kind of maybe an upsloping support if we're to look at it like some sort of upsloping flag. Okay, so whatever, man. It's the weekend. Who cares, right? We're just here to drink. We're using the charts as an excuse to drink a little bit of alcohol, to enjoy ourselves for what a good week we've had, and just, man, you know, some things suck, but at the end of the week, it's good looking back and being like, hey, we made it, dude. We made it from the grind. And now we can, since we worked hard, we get to play hard too. Okay. No sound? What? I know you're trolling, Billy, man. Can anyone else say that, dude? Anybody else say no sound? What? Dude, it's just like a song or something. I don't know, dude. Like, watch this. Is there music now? Is there sound now? Dude, I'm gonna lose my mind, man. Billy, don't do this to me. Okay. I am but simple Greenbow man. Side girl, here's me. Side girl, where are the fireworks, huh? Can we get the fireworks? Toilet brush, thank you, man. Thank you for saying, I mean, technically you didn't have the apostrophe, but thank you so much for saying, or putting the E at the end of your. My God, man. As a streamer, you read things, okay? You read a lot of chat, and you see the your and your. It's like the most common misspelled thing ever. Your, all right? The typical, or the different types of your. Also theirs, the their, right? All three theirs. Anyway. King Logan, don't you be capping. Okay. Capping requires a license. Okay. Anyway. Plug my speakers. Plug my speakers, indeed. So about Doc Master Flex. I don't even know if I'm being trolled anymore. Okay, hold on. Where's my pen? Make sure I got the right chart for this other one. Man. That's not it, dude. Not what we're looking for. Okay, that's kind of what we're looking for. Alright. I don't know. I guess we can look at it like this. Whatever. Okay, man. Alright, so in linear scale, this is the only way now to like plot it. Like log scale, we got another chart for it. It looks pretty awesome, dude. Like you have like literally broken out of a like log scale downtrend. But here you're, you know, out of this channel. I don't know, like 1 and 2, 3 on the bottom. Pretty well respected in between. We broke it. Premature breakout, sold off, made the higher low than the previous. So this was that beautiful potential inverse head and shoulder. We broke out like it was confirmed, but then kind of fell below it, bounced off the 50 moving average and sure some fibs, and then just broke a huge nice spike to the upside, testing that 200-day moving average just right below from their high point to low point of the structure. Sorry, I like plotted all this in the 4 hours, so it's just a little yeah, from high point to low point. This downsloping channel is a structure, right? We have not technically touched that 382 at $50.35, which, you know, $50 in itself should act as some sort of psychological resistance. But I don't know, man. Look, you're kind of uptrending now. You shifted your momentum a little bit. I mean, isn't it like, sure, it could just dump. Of course it could just dump, right? Any time of the day it can do that, but you got to be a little optimistic, just a little happy that, hey man, we didn't just break to the upside and then just start up sloping, you know, like that's good, man. Like you make an impulse up and then you down slope your consolidation, and this is the daily time scale, so this does look pretty nice. I mean, you know, you're clearly stalling at a 200-day moving average. It always kind of acts as a good resistance. That's it. That's why you didn't hit 382, but you'd expect maybe from the high to low to rally, you know, hit anywhere between $50 and $67. That's kind of the zone, the golden zone, right? Literally the golden zone, man. The Goldilocks zone. This is where life is. There's life up here, man. Maybe, potentially. Talk to Matthew McConaughey and find out. All right, sweet. Psh, psh. So stupid. Hold on a sec, man. What y'all doing, chat? What y'all doing? What do y'all like? Are y'all like drinking? Anyone drinking water or alcohol or tea? What are you drinking? whatever your beverage is, okay, that you're going to be that you are consuming tonight, it doesn't have to be alcoholic at all. It can be something weird, like a Vegemite shake. It could be anything. Just type out what you're drinking right now, or not literally right now, but what is sitting next to you. Okay, thanks. I'm just curious to know. Very curious. Anyway, who cares? All right. I want to know. Whew. Yeah, there's one more, Mr. Cantoma, man. There's one more that you're missing. There, like with the Y, dude. Where was that one? You hear broken hearts? Are there broken hearts from yesterday? I think there were people that were liquidated on BitMEX for shorting or something. So, broken hearts, yep. On the market, I guess. F retrace? What are you talking about, Matt Shafferman? Why would we F the retraces, dude? What's up, Aaron M, man? Good to see you, dude. Rick Schmidt's drinking that water. H2O, heck yeah, man.
Billy, he be trolling you, man. And now I'm trolling him. Bring it.
Dude, you didn't hit the space, so she said trawling. She said trawling. You're now trawling, Billy Langford, man. Thanks, Scour, dude, for the 3s. Repeating, of course, man. Tron Connect. Cooper Session Ales. Oh yeah. Monster Energy for Peter. All right, you're getting jacked tonight. You're ridiculous, man. I'm just trying to read the drinks. Chocolate milk for James Skinner. Heck yeah, man. I love me some chocolate milk. Actually, I had a little chocolate milk last night, man. Show it. It's a vague pronoun. Matt Schaffer, dude. 420 and chocolate shake. D Sagger, man. Peter's got a nice big fat. What is that, dude? What is that?
Is that a joint?
There you go, man. All right, that was for you. Ice water and devil salad. Yeah, dude, I want to know, man. I wonder how many. Who's in the chat? How many people are drinking versus doing marijuanas? Okay. Water, but you wish you were on the liquor, dude. Toilet brush, I highly doubt that. Everclear and 2% milk, man. Sounds terrible. Iceberg's got Grey Goose. Just Grey Goose, man. No orange juice, man. Come on, dude. Where's your screwdriver? Wow, Jules, man. That's interesting. Weapon of choice. Definitely.
Mitch Nathaniel Ray. Master Crypto Sensei. The master of the RSI live from the Nutella Studios in Greenbow, Alabama. 589 miles from Tulsa. Could you look at BNB? Thank you. Hi, Psy Girl. Too shy.
Super rigged, dude.
Hi, Mitch. Thanks for you helping on my way.
My help? You're on the way? What you mean, homie? What you mean, homie? Cabo. Thanks, dude. Wow. Hold on a sec. What's that? Christopher Hamill. Chris Hamill? What about Mark Hamill, dude? Mark Hamill's pretty cool too, man. He's from the olden days. Thanks, dude. Christopher Hamill for the 589 and this Shepherd, man. You're on your way, dude. Alright. We'll see you soon, man. Alright, dude. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, BNB to BTC pivoted off right below that 50 MA. Right, we thought, look, man, okay, whatever you want. It's kind of just like with that price divergence, you're going up, right? And then the volatility picked up, nice shot to the upside, came down. I get it, it's a trend line, and you broke the trend line, but you could have had yourself a rising wedge. Look, man, argument was made that you're at all-time highs with some bearish divergence on both oscillators, with a bearish pattern, two upsloping converging trend lines. You broke it and you bounced. You did not hit the measure move. but we know that, like, if you're extremely bullish, that might not happen. Right, this thing is, it's great, man. This is just what do they call it? Game busters or something? Gang buster? I don't know. Whatever it is, it's good. And look, you had a nice little upsloping channel, a trend you were in, and then you broke out of it. You went even higher. You legged up. And so we actually have already broken that leg. Right? Break a leg, BNB. You've done it. So, I don't know. You're still making a lower high than your previous high, but it looks like an impulse up, bullish engulfing. And you're kind of just like down sloping with your consolidation. Maybe you run again, but if you break out, you better be ready to run to the 1272. I mean, that is it, dude. We're going from our major high point to major low point, right? From the all-time high to this low. 52-week lows, I guess, November 2018. And if we broke that, man, there's nothing here. There's no real resistance. You might have a runaway. Like, I mean, that's how it works, dude. So.
Love you.
Hey, next RL, dude. Love you. Love you too, dog. Thanks, man. Much love. Party lights. Thank you for the sub on Twitch. And thank you for supporting the channel that way, dude. Much love. 1G Project drinking rum and beer from the frigid north, man. What's life like when the White Walkers take over the world? 1G Project, where you live, man. That's kind of like how it is, right? They reign dominion over your lands right now, I believe. Or I do declare, either way. Okay, what is 47 is working out, then he's gonna go drink some gin. When he's done, just straight up gin. Dude, what is, like, y'all's taste buds are gone if you're just drinking straight whiskey, man. It's gonna be gin and something, or Grey Goose and something. Okay. Tom is on his CBD vape. All right, man. All right. Francisco prefers marijuanas. He likes marshmallows. All right, dude. Great dietary choice. I mean, I guess, right? A great dietary choice if you want diabetes. Diabetes with marshmallows. Just be careful. Be careful, man. What an insulin resistance, dude. Don't mess with your pancreas, dude. Let your pancreas calm down and let it be a treat. Let the sugar be a treat to you. All right. Look, dude, it's the war on diabetes. Okay. Speaking of diabetes, dude, why not? Why not talk about it? Why not talk about it and look at this? This is it, man. You want to chart diabetes? Here it is. This is charting diabetes. Diabetes is on the rise. Okay. Jeez, man. Jeez. Look at this downsloping channel we had been in since October of 2016. We bottomed out. Where did we bottom? At the heart line of the much larger prevailing trend that was downsloping. You gotta be kidding me. Alright. So hitting that heart line, bouncing. Guess what happened, dude? When we shifted, when we broke out of the downsloping resistance, that is a shift in momentum. Nice to wave up, consolidated, kind of flagged a little bit, whatever. From a low point to high point, we retraced about 62% of the way. Oh my God. And then we broke out. We broke this miniature downsloping resistance and ran. And now, today, and I think that's weird, because talking to Larly, coffee was up, and now sugar's up. What else, man? What else was there? Was there precious metals too? They all started dumping in 2011 together. All these commodities, assets, whatever. So hey, man, great news. Great news for sugar. It's going, dude. It's going the distance. Hey, if you broke it down sloping resistance, and we call it a bump and run, where would you run? Where would your target be? Your target would be 13.343 cents on sugar, dude. We're almost there, dude. Bring it home. Bring it home, baby. All right, dude. You just witnessed the diabetes coin. I mean, how cool is it when you see the enlarged ticker and right above it you see the guy saying one word, diabetes? Where else is this going to happen on the internet? It's just not, man. It's just not. Watch your sugar intake, everybody. That's it. No, we should be demonizing sugar and soda beverages the way that everyone was like demonizing marijuana, dude, forever. Okay, we should start yellow journalism on the sugar. But we know that's never going to happen. Sugar have some of the best overlords out there, dude. Okay, and advocates. And just because it's like non-mind altering, it is okay, man. Same with tobacco. Boy, dude, what happened to my chat, dude? Like, it like bugged out again. Like, restream is weird. YouTube chat, like the little pop out thing sucks, dude.
When will Laura Dre, John Wayne Jesus Man, team up on stream with his Canadian counterpart, Mr. Jam Master J, Larley, would be the biggest guest appearance since Elon Musk on the Joe Rogan Show.
Oh yeah, Larley, hear that, man? King Logan thanks for the 888, and sounds like Logan would like to see you, man, on the stream, dude. I mean, that'd be cool, man. I don't care. Like, whatever, man. We can do it anytime. Doesn't matter. Dude, sometimes, like, we're talking about Mario. Okay, Mario releases and Zelda releases, dude. Thanks, man. You see that spinning 8-ball in the jar, man? It's super sexual. It is super duper sexual, man. SHBV5 mod. Emote hydrates. Interesting. I didn't even know like how it even got in here. The hydration bar. Sub Louis, dude. Louis says, imagine if coffee is up and sugar is up. He bets creamer is up too. Alright, dude. I don't think there's... Maybe there is. I bet there's a ticker. Cream. Come on, dude. Cream. Nope. No cream. Just camp. Dang. There's creef. Creef. Ooh, that's dangerously close to a weird word. Weird word. Oh, I'm about to get another beer, dude. Whatever, man. 54 more likes for fireworks. We're so close, Billy. So close. The sugar overlords are unstoppable. Wouldn't marijuana make you want to eat that sugar, though, Peter Couchman? Then they could be like that happy balance that you're looking for. Talk to the Church of Thanos, dude. Food scientists put sugar in to attract customers and increase sales. Yeah, they put sugar in what? In like random household appliances. What are you talking about? What are y'all talking about? Sugar doing things. Hold on. No, hold on. Hey, look at sub, dude. Oh, we looked at sub. We've been analyzing sub. Last time we talked about sub, though, do y'all not remember the whole story behind sub and how, like, I don't know, I was reading into crypto more and talking about how I need to do things. And, dude, it was a scam. It was a scam. You know, something on sugar, though? Look, man, 1 and 2 on the upside or 1 and 2 here. And then you got like 1 and 2 here. I mean, it could be upsloping, converging price action, which could give you potentially, right, some sort of rising wedge. Okay. Anyway, hold on. Okay, cheers. Welcome. Welcome back. To you, or to me. Whatever. Ray is super sexual. You mean Mitch? But I am both, right? I am both, I guess, right? Dude, I feel like I get called more Ray than I do Mitch. Okay. Fireworks. No, Miss Shaffer. Doesn't look like we have a chance to. We might be screwed. Okay. Well, anyway, I guess we can look at all the S coins. Whatever, dude. Okay, we can look at mod, modem. What is it? Modem. Scrotum. Scrotum coin. Here we go, dude. What a dumpster fire. Well, you broke. Support all time lows. Sorry, man. S coin. S coin from the future, dude. I don't know, dude. How you want to fib this crap, dude? Like, really? You want to fib this wick up here? Okay. Fine, dude. There's your wick, man. Alright, see you down in 305 sats. Fib extension, whatever. It's been delisted, or it's getting delisted. Not even done yet. Or if you want to make you feel better, I guess we can plot a downsloping channel. Okay, if it tickles your fancy. Whatever, man. Okay, dude. There you go. Let's see what happens to the wick. I mean, that's all you can do, man. Like, there's not even any other options here. I don't think. I mean, like, 3 touch points on the bottom, 2 on the top. Alright. There you go, dude. Have at it, Haas. Your modem coin. It's one of the big 5. The one of the big 5, dude. Here we go. King Logan says, marijuana creates a craving for nothing burger, a vegan-friendly, earth-friendly, no deodorant necessary establishment, now LA's premier enlightened eatery. Zagat's rated 2 green thumbs up. Oh my god, man. No diabetes there, man. No diabetes at all, dude. Holy crap. So about Jared H, dude. Yeah, having a pretty decent night, man. Besides going to a dining restaurant or dining facility and them literally taking my order, then not taking it, jabating me. I got super jabated at a restaurant tonight. Okay. And unfortunately, all I had was an appetizer, and that food that I ordered that I didn't pay for or whatever grade, I have not eaten it. It's in my fridge right now, and I'm pretty friggin' like sad about that, right? So what'll be happening after streams? I'll be eating that. You know, and it'll be probably terrible to watch, man. It'll be an awful thing to watch. Okay. 44 to go. Are you kidding me, dude? Yeah, I'd like to know. Hey, man. NWL, our days are numbered as technical analyst. There is now one person on Twitter that has figured it out, dude. Larley, it's all over. No more analysis needed, dude. Larley, just go pick up that indicator. That's it, man. It's over. It's revolutionized the game. No more trading needed. Okay, it auto does everything for you, dude. Okay. Sweet, dude. Looking forward to it. Wow. Herbert says, side girl, comma, I used to think that Ray was calling you a side girl for quite a while. Wow. Never heard that before. But Herbert, man, there's a first for everything. No. She's not a side girl. She's firework girl. Okay. Anyway. Alright, let's go to Cloak Coin. Another big loser today. Dude, don't talk about Cloak Coin like that, man. Don't you dare talk about Cloakcoin like that. Cloakcoin is the future. You're not a part of the future if you don't like Cloakcoin. Alright? Imagine these like dumpster fire crypto companies or whatever they are, you know, these assets, like having a corporate culture. Dude, I just think about some of these dumpster fires having like an Enron culture. Here at Cloakcoin, we're better than you, and we know it, right? GloboGem, dude, like, man, I mean, like, seriously, dude, like, all, like, companies have types of culture. Some are more aggressive than others. Alright, and, dude, just imagine that, right? What am I gonna do here, dude? What am I really gonna do here? Beast last thing, man. Low point to high point? If that's the case, dude, see you at 1478 sats. See ya, bye. Speaking of SIA, I'm surprised SIA hadn't been delisted either. I mean, dude, there's countless S coins that you say, hey, 5 were taken down today, but how many more should be taken down? Probably a lot more. All right. Got a big pot of white beans and sweet pepper cornbread going right now. Crypto Cracker Man. That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, it feels so good!
Get her fireworks, Julia Guskuski. See, I don't understand, man. Like, I turned something, I didn't know something was off, but turn it back on. The thing's working on Streamlabs. It's being all bugged out. Dumpster fire day to install us, dude. It's a good thing, though, dude. All right, it's a good thing. Yeah, 5 or more coins, dude. How about hundreds? That'd be great, dude. Be wonderful. See, I'm trying to see if I memorized all of them. Cloak. Let's go to sub. The one that we talked about was the major scam. Like, easy scam, dude. Easy scam. Too bad you can't short sub, dude. Like, whatever, dude. Oh my god, it was this downsloping channel that really, whatever. We didn't even break out. There was no structure. It was just sideways. Like, you sleepwalked out. Normally when you break out, you want to break out, you know how you know it's real is when some major volume comes in and you move to the upside. Your price actually goes up. It doesn't, like, do stupid sideways stuff. It just dumped, man. It dumped. It's at 737 sats. Wow, man. I don't know, man. From this low to this high, you probably fib. You're probably out of retraces. Who cares, man? You're extremely oversold. 20 on the RSI. Do whatever, man. This one also all-time lows on this chart. On this chart. Dumpster. Remember this? All right. This is something we talked about. All right. Just perspective. Burn this into your minds. Burn it in your minds. Next time you see crypto go up in a straight line, 21,897 sats. Did you hear that? How many sats that was on January 8th, 2018? 21,897. All right, we're at 739 sats now. Please ask yourself questions like, well, does this have a working product? No. Okay. And if you accidentally get in on a great FOMO run like that, it takes profit. Take what you made. One would want to take what they made and, you know, take it out of the exchange, put it in the bank account, pay taxes on it, and have it, right? At least what you put in. Okay. Whatever, dude. But you know, in all other terms, when the market for 2 months out of forever, 2 months every 4 years, it happens. Okay, just like, you know, keep that in mind. But the rest is like, you know, risk to reward, be risk averse. You know, 3 to 1. You know, 2.7 to 1, right? Like, make sure your risk to reward is good. Make sure you have a trading plan. Like, where are you buying? Why are you buying there? What's the reason? Then it's King Logan. Where's your stop loss? Where are you going to take profits? What targets? Target 1, target 2, possibly target 3. Where are they? And what happens if things start taking a turn for the worse? when you've hit one target, but maybe not the second, and you don't know, man, what are you gonna do, right? All those questions are answered before you even hit the buy. Okay, the buy order. Excuse me, whatever, right? Okay, Substratum daily, largest spike of volume we've ever seen in the history of this scrubby loser coin. I can't believe you're talking like that, man. How can you talk like that? Holy crap, dude. Oh yeah, you getting an ice storm up there and Bootheel. Bootheel, man. What's up, Mr. Calrissian, dude? Shouldn't you be on some space adventure with Star Wars Worlds, dude? Come on. Maybe they'll relist Benito coin, Billy, man. Normally when you lose it, you don't use it again. Okay, man? That's normally the rule. They don't tell you about the secondary rule. The first rule is if you don't use it, you lose it. That's literally what happened with Benito coin. That's how things get delisted. And if you lose it, you normally don't get it back. Whatever. Normally rhyme. Whatever. I don't know if a week or two is going to be enough of time to see if some sort of magical indicator works. Oh yeah, Herbert, dude. Seriously. Julia Guskuski, thanks so much for the host, the Russian host. Hello, fellow Russians. Welcome. Okay, whatever. Oh my god. Anyway, Cloak, Mod, Sub. What are the other scrub ones, dude? Crap. I can't remember the other scrub ones. Give me the names. There's two more scrub coins that we looked at. Come on. I'm surprised MTL hadn't been freaking destroyed yet. Give them to me. I'm about to break the seal anyway, so we'll have plenty of time to research that. I mean, I guess I can research. All I have to do is type it in on the internet, but it's more fun getting y'all to answer just to make sure y'all are even here. Okay. Ponomo probably get delisted at some point. Look, man. All right, I guess I'm just gonna look at this. Okay. Salt. Oh yeah, salt coin, man. Dude, man, do you want a pawn? We're going to a pawn shop for our salt coin, dude. Dude, will you look at salt? Why would I want to look at this S coin? Look at this huge dump, this consolidation, this dump again. But here we are, man. Oh, we're holding support, dude. Something that got delisted. Probably better go long on it, dude. Who cares if it goes up, man? Like, there's just a higher likelihood of something like this getting wrecked, okay? But I don't know, man. I mean, like, from a low here to this low, you do have higher levels of relative strength, man. I mean, I guess, right? Dude, rest in peace, City Discount, Minnesota 118, dude. Rest in peace, dude. Why is sub going down, Billy, man? I think they probably, like, Binance was probably like, they researched like we did on sub on what it was doing. Wait. Dude, it's like the little, remember the meme? It's this guy. Okay, so okay, hold on. I'm gonna get it, dude. Okay, so Sub doesn't really do anything. Doesn't have a project. I mean, it's got a project. Doesn't like. They're not doing anything. Nothing. No one trades it. Whatever. They actually, the developers of Sub, they came out. If you don't know, they came out with another coin that was supposed to be worth more than Sub was worth. They only needed $10 million in seed money to get this thing going for real. But hey, it was worth more than Sub, and they would not accept Subcoin as a contribution to that 10 million they needed to raise. Okay, so pretty much all I can think about is right here. All I can think about is this. So you mean to tell me this scrub coin that doesn't have a working product is creating another scrub coin for $10 million that they need to get it going, and they say it's worth more than the scrub coin that they already have that is obviously doing nothing? You mean to tell me? That's the way I think about it. Sub. That meme right there, dude. Really? Give me a break, dude. What kind of idiots these sub scrubs take us for? We won't stand for this, man. This aggression will not stand, man. But if we want to get technical with it, we can just say that there may have possibly been some sort of triangle that was destroyed. We broke, we breached a sim triangle. Not bad, man. TA, not bad. Even with a D-list super sexual little pattern right there. Congratulations. It's a measured move, man. Screw it, dude. Let's just measure it and see. Let's take a hop down dumpster fire lane all the way down to 297 sats. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. That's salt, not sub. But this is salt, not sub. Sorry. But I was just telling y'all the story of sub. Salt's like some weird pawn shop coin. Hold on. I'll be right back. Sorry. Sorry, y'all. What's up? What y'all been doing? Can we get a drinking game going? Somebody? Drinking game? Anyone at all? The 1 minute game? What is it? The 1 minute green candle game? I'm not adept enough to play that game. You can do 3 minute candles or something? I don't know. Salt. What was it, dude? Come on. Salt. Wings. That's right, dude. Wings. Look here, listen. Yeah, baby, yeah. Get destroyed. Alright. There it is. There's your, like, all-time lows on Wings of Redemption. But it was a double bottom. No, it was a potential double bottom. And it failed like a loser and dumped and got delisted. It was like, look, man, think about the people at Binance were like, okay, Wings, this is all you can do, man. If you don't go from becoming, look, you are a potential double bottom right now, okay? If you don't break to the upside and become a real double bottom and then make the measured move, if you don't do that, we will delist you. And Wink says, all right, we're going to give it a shot. They failed, closed in reverse, and see ya. You are now delisted, you scrubs. All right. That's what happened. Pretty much, man. All right, it's documented. You know, whatever. It is known. Like Game of Thrones, it is known. I guess we go 4 hour and really look at this, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Really bad. Win sugar at lending platform. That's it, Brian G. Did lending platform. That's what salt. Yeah, dude. Seriously. They need to get more dumpster fires out of here for the next bull market. Yeah, dude. So these scrubs can't go up anymore. Exactly. Bob the Miller. Bob the Builder. Not Miller. What's up, dude? Thanks for making it, man. Better late than never, dude, right? Side girl, I don't know what that means. Something in Russian, okay? Something in Russian. Sure thing, Bob, dude. Bob the Builder. Yeah, he was asking what he should do. Being 23, what, you know, should you do? And the word, the advice, the whatever, just opinion of what I thought you should do when you're young is make sure your hobbies are, one, something you have a passion for, clearly, but also something you can make money on. You can find hobbies that will make you money, not cost you money. That's a great thing to do. Okay, that's how you will work your way to financial independence one day. All right, having lucrative hobbies of some sort, right? What's up, Dan, man? Dan from the Savages peoples. Hope you're enjoying the music and the stuffs. Yeah, they pulled the stream. I told y'all, I knew it. Dan knows too. Like I literally even said it. Rick Schmitz was like totally worth it too. I think it was Rick that said that after I said worth. But it was one song, dude. It was that Radiohead Deck Darks or Dark Decks. Yeah, man, so good, but totally worth getting our stream taken down for. Absolutely. All right, Justin King's gonna buy some cloak, man. You're better off just playing Diablo 3 and being a demon hunter because they wear cloaks. Okay, probably gonna cost you a lot less. Whatever, dude. Those are the big five, man. The big winners, dude, of our time, of our generation. The generation coins. Wings was gonna change the world when it was listed. That was what it had the intent of doing. See, the thing is, these projects are so terrible. There's just such a small chance of them succeeding. You could almost say we could almost make up exactly what their mission is, and it's the same thing in actuality, in reality, because we knew they were never going to do what they said they were going to do. They're just loser coins, man. We're at the Netscape era or less of the internet of blockchain, right? That's like where we are right now. You're going to see much more of this in the coming years. Much, much more. The ICO boom only started in 2017, the beginning of 2017. We're only in the beginning of 2019. All these S coins have been in La La Land. They were only for a few months, and they've been dumping ever since. So this guy doesn't even like crypto. Screw him. No, it's just you were warned. You've been warned for a year now. It's only going to get better. In order for it to get better, it has to get worse for most of these S coins. Okay, Star Wars Worlds is here. So Star Wars Worlds, dude. He made it, man. The man, the legend, the Star Wars Worlds, dude. W Chain doing things. That's right. So was many others. Okay. Anyway. Your local on the lates. It's 11:11. No, 12. No, it's 12:12. It was 11:11. Now it's 12:12. From Central Eastern. Jules, man.
Jules_Santana tipped $24.24. Be back in 3 minutes. Feeling the pivot to the upside.
Super Saiyan God. Thanks so much, Jules, man, for the 24 repeating, of course, right? Because the numbers are repeating, not the numbers. You get it. You get what I'm talking about. Thanks, dude. Much love. You'll be back in 3 minutes. All right. Might be just enough time to get another beer, right? All right. Thanks, man. Okay, just started zooming in, getting back to reality. Old Bitcoin, the one to rule them all. Okay, it has given its power to many others, but little did they know that they were selling their souls, and they would soon become slaves to Bitcoin. It's okay though. But you know, whatever, man. Like you could have it like that. Or like this. I mean, definitely people can make the argument that you would take these other trend lines, look at this and this, and then all of a sudden it's just like a channel without the wick, right? It's just a straight parallel down 7 channel.
Hello, Mitch.
Star Wars Worlds, man. Thanks so much for the 20, dude. Much love, dude. Cheers to you, brother. This sip's for you. Well, actually, I'm going to take a sip for Jules and then a sip for you. How about that, man? All right, is that fair? I think so. That was one for you. No, wait, one for Jules and one for you. All right, we did it, man. We did it. So, multiple ways to look at this, to think about this, man. But if you are to just keep things the way they were, 1, and 2, make the adjustment now. And there you go, man. Still got some sort of, wow, that's loud, dude. Come on, man. That's better. Sorry, I just know the decibel level where it's just me getting wrecked, and I can't. You can't hear me really. So there you go, man. We're just gonna hold it like that, making the adjustments that when they're needed. But good news, what's literally happening right now, all right, so it's all lagging, so it doesn't really matter that much, but as of yesterday, we got ourselves a 4-hour golden cross, and now we're getting ourselves a 50 over the 20. Our 50 moving average is bullishly, wait, no, that's wrong, dude. No, the 50 is about to cross over the 20, which isn't good, but, sorry, man, we had this crossover way back here. No, it's good maybe that we're like breaking above to the upside here, because you're about to get like kind of like not a death cross, but like when your 20 bearishly crosses over your 50, that's not good. I'm sorry. You always want to have the 20 above the 50, above the 200. Okay, kind of like we had. All right, but this is good. You know, you were getting so close to bearishly crossing over, and now you're kind of moving to the upside a little bit. Whatever, dude. I mean, overall bearish trend. We got that bearish trend, but 78% retrace. So there is a mild form of accumulation going on right now in the midst of this pattern, right? Look, all you gotta do, man, like we did this yesterday. Julia!
3.33 minute green candle. All in. Kraken time Mitch.
Hey Julia, thanks for the 33 repeating, of course. The most super sexy. I don't know, man. I freaking love that Tron emoji. I really do. I think it's awesome. So thank you, Julia, for the 33. And you're playing the game, right? Because there's a 15% chance if you tip 33 that there's a variation that will show up that I have to chug a beer. I've shown it multiple times on stream. I've actually literally shown the stream elements variation, so you know it's real. But it's there, and it's just a small chance, right, of happening. So anyway, yeah, it is time. It literally is time. So okay, so there's your. But hold on, I was about to do this, man. All right, y'all just look at this. You tell me how anyone would be analyzing this if we had a huge break to the upside, almost non-stop. We gained half our value in a 5-week period. We doubled up, and now we're up sloping in our consolidation, and we're making lower highs than our previous highs. Bearish Gartley pattern broke down, rising wedge or pennant, whatever. I mean, are people really seriously are into technical analysis believe that this looks bullish? The context of it, I mean, like, really? Anyone think that? I mean, that's not that bullish, man. You don't have 50% plus moves in 5 weeks, then you upslope in your consolidation and not get exhausted and dump and find areas of value for people to take real long positions, right? 38% retrace, a 50% retrace, 62, 78% retrace, right? You're looking for those areas. That's where people would want to really be going short because there's areas of value there, right? But there's anyone in this consolidation pattern, it would be shorting at a huge premium. So therefore, there's a high risk involved with shorting Bitcoin here. Oh, it's bearish, man. It's so bearish. I wanted $0 in a second. But, dude, you can't deny the fact that this is showing some form of exhaustion, man. Like, it is. Hold on. I'll be right back. Let me get this beer. Well, of course, MK, man, but we're not we don't really care if Bitcoin retraces and dumps again. That doesn't matter. Like, we don't care about that. We don't care about 20K Bitcoin. We care about, like, the moves that are coming in the next month or, like, 3 weeks or a week, right? We care about, like, kind of what's happening now so we can make short-term profits off of it. I mean, hey, it's great to be in a 3-year-long bull run. That's awesome, but we don't have that anymore, so we're relying on technical analysis to help us. We can't just trend trade, okay? We're just making sure that people that think that shorting is a good idea, maybe it's not as good of an idea to be shorting Bitcoin at these areas, just right because of the stuff that's going on, dude. Okay. All right, Laurel, you out of here, man? Okay, filthy animal, dude. Don't put fireworks in that tin and shoot them off and play. You know what the Humlin guy did. Macaulay Culkin did. Don't do what he did. You filthy animal. Here you go, Julia. Gulia Yoskuskis. All right. Phew. 28 more likes for fireworks, Billy, man. Let's do it, dude. Let's do it. JP Morgan coin, they control Bitcoin, and now the new JP coin. Your money is on JP Coin, the master of the universe. The master of the universe, man. That may be so, but thankfully we don't have to worry about it too much. We're just looking at charts, right? Whew, thank God. Who's been at the track? Greg H, man. Who's been there, dude? Whew. What's up, Karim, man? Welcome. Okay, anyway, inverse Bitcoin, you get it. You get the whole reason why we flip it like that, so you can gain a little bit more perspective on what's kind of happening, all right? That doesn't look bullish. That's not bullish. That's improper consolidation. If Bitcoin would have dumped like this and finally found its bottom on December 15th and then would have begun to uptrend, nice uptrend, oh my God, 50% retrace, oh, 62%, 70% retrace, right here. Areas to get destroyed, right? But not doing that, man. Stalling. Here we are. Here's real life. Back to reality. Okay. So, man. Greg is taking a shot of Elijah Craig. Cheers. Hey, cheers, Greg, man. Cheers to you, dude. Much love. We'll see, MK, man. We see, dude. Fair, man. It's been a long week, man. Been a long week, right? Just trying to relax. Okay. Most streams we're going, we go, and then we end, right? And then some streams where it's the weekend and stuff, we go and we relax and enjoy ourselves, and you know, we don't stress out too much on charts, right? Not really. Wow, Drano, I don't think that would be very good of a thing to snort, man. Don't snort Drano, man. This is nostril advice, okay? All right, anyway, okay, let's go to okay, man, the S&P 500 continuing to uptrend, breaking above the heart line on the 4 hour. Well, it's on the daily too, but no, not on the daily. Wow. Okay, here we go. Breaking above the 200 moving average, continuing to run on up. No problem, man. Lower levels, positive momentum. The pullback is soon. Yeah, how soon is it, man? How soon is it? It's going straight up, and it's not stopping, man. It's not stopping. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Okay. From the high to low, you've exceeded the 88.6% retrace. It looks like it's imminent, quite possibly, that you're going to hit 27.99, 2800 right on the dot. Okay. And this will be an extremely important overhead resistance. It doesn't get more important than this 2814 up here. Okay, nothing more important than that. You break that, man, it might be smooth sailing back up to all-time highs. So we'll see what happens when we go straight line up to a critical upsloping resistance that we failed to break above 2 to 3 times. See what we do this time. All right. Okay, man, with the divergence of the price and momentum. Hello? Ooh, is Mr. and Mrs. Benito here? Whoa. What's up, y'all? Thanks so much. Hey, 95 watching, 75 likes. Maybe we could get 20 more likes. Just maybe we get to 100 likes so we can throw fireworks up for Shy Girl. I mean, she's worked hard this week, real hard. So maybe she's earned it, okay? Anyway, so that's great for this retrace. Look at that major retrace here, okay? This looks like the major low to high retrace, okay? Okay, 78.6% retrace just happens to be confluent with the resistance that is overhead, that is upon us. Okay, 2815 on the S&P 500 is a critical resistance point after a straight shot up with divergence. It's gonna be tough. Getting close to overbought territory. Gonna be tough, man. Gonna be real tough. Julia. Okay, so the drinking game is every 3.33 minutes. I would take a shot of beer if something happened. If we saw a green candle or red candle or both. That is just fan-freaking-tastic. Okay.
To my friend Sideways Try.
Sideways Try. Thanks, Miss Jab Man, for the 333 repeating, of course. Gangs, baby, gangs. I'll sip to that. $3.33 hold on, let me do this. I have to like change the variation when I add 1 minute, 3 minutes, add, right, 3 minute chart. Dude, we're uptrending like crazy, man, on Bitcoin. On the 3 minute chart. Let's look at it. Here's your 3 minute chart. 1 minute, 47 seconds left. Holy crap. Holy crap, man. Let's chart this though. The 3 minutes. What will we do, man? Will we be kings or will we be peasants? It is unknown. What if we did this though? See if we do that. That's stupid, dude. Rudy poo stuff, man. It's like that. Alright. It's really like this, but who cares? Whatever, man. It's like that or something, right? I don't know, I'm digging it. It's really like this, dude. What the heck? To be honest, man, it's like it was like this or something, and you like broke it, dude. Like whatever, right? Excuse me. I'm trying to make sense of this crazy world we live in. Okay, where it's like this now and like this. There's your 3 minute chart. Oh my god. Time to get wrecked, dude. Time to really get wrecked, man. The resistance is upon you and it seems as though we will fail. Just too much, dude. 20 seconds. Will we be green and will we be red? Aw, sorry. Looks like I'm not drinking for another 3 minutes, Julia. What a terrible game. Terrible game. Sorry. Not happening. I guess I wouldn't have 3 more minutes. Whatever, dude. Who cares? This is, for all the 1 second traders, here you go. Here it is. DB, if everyone is a mod, is being mod cool anymore? I don't know, man. I think just being cool as a person makes you cool, dude. Whether you're a mod or not, right? It doesn't really... Being a mod doesn't even matter. Like, if you're a mod in here, it doesn't literally make you cool or not cool. It just is a thing. Being a man.
Mitch, what is up, Veda? Bela Lugosi's dead. Where is the skyline of Greenbow, Alabama? No, Peter Murphy doesn't drink milk. Here are some eights for Logan King, dude. 888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888888
man, the trunk connecting the jar. Dude, I dream of a day where we could have nothing but 3.33s. Just 3.33s in this jar. And it looked like a bunch of Tron Connect diamonds, dude. Okay. Like, I know everyone has their signature contributions, but if you just want to do the 3.33s instead of the signatures, it'd be cool, man. Just to have it. Okay. It'd be like a diamond jar, man. It's just cool, dude. Chalen just graphically got me, man, with that Tron emoji, dude. I can't help it. All right. Okay. So you're asking about what? ADA, the American Dental Association? Well, I think they're fine. I think their funding has been secured for many years. Okay. No Kappa. Okay. I don't know, dude. I think you're still probably down sloping, down trending. I still have it like this, and whatever, man. Like, you can call me crazy if you want. Where's the symmetry? Well, we're looking for symmetry. We're kind of getting some symmetry to some degree, I guess. You know, we're waiting kind of down here. Maybe we could, like, you know, we're just looking at like from the left shoulder to the head when you're starting creating it. I know this is unconventional, kind of weird, but symmetry is really important in technical analysis, and we have not really, I don't think, broken out of anything, right? If anything, you could just say that we have 1 and 2 here, and then 1 up here, or it could be a falling wedge, whatever. But this channel works beautifully too, right? Because you can see the hardline respect you're getting is crazy. All right, you'd expect maybe to just keep on down sloping. Maybe you could run up again and hit up here and then dump, but we're just kind of patiently waiting for an area of the lowest risk entry down at like 1,000 sats, 999 sats, whatever, down here, and we're just continuously down sloping. That's it, dude. Peter Murphy. So this has already been posted as trade setup. We're just waiting for price to hit. If it does, if it doesn't, we don't care. Like, because we're playing the market, right? We can play the market. We can be patient. We can wait for prices to come to us. And if they do, great. We take our entry and we go. But if they don't, we keep on scanning charts, and then we keep on setting up alerts for entries for good, low risk, high reward opportunity areas. Okay, whatever. Yeah, what about the 589s, the 5 and the 9s? Billy, man, what you doing? MK, I don't like wrench gang. That's not us. That's not our culture. Someone else came up with that. I think we're this is the harmonic house, man. That's what we are. That's what you're gonna be that's what you're gonna be called. That's what this stream is. If you're in this stream, you're in the harmonic house. Okay, man, that's it. That's our thing. A harmonic house. No gangs. Okay, no wannabe gangsters. We're just in the harmonic house. Okay, my house, I think I'm gonna call my house the harmonic house. All right, man. And I'm about to start like getting artwork made to be framed and have a different type of harmonic pattern in every room of my house. Okay, different rooms of my house, and it's gonna be framed, and that's it, dude. Okay. Chart art, whatever. We'll string every 1 minute candle on waves. Damn, dude, get wrecked, dude. I don't think anyone in the world's doing that. We would be the first, probably. 21 likes? Sorry, side girl. Probably not happening. We are screwed. Yep. Here's your 80. I wish there was more to talk about, man. I wish there was more to talk about, man. Okay. You want a fire red wrench, MK, dude? Sorry, man. Sorry, dude. The wrench is just not good, man. I know. We shall get halos and things. Holy crap, man. We're getting there, dude. We're getting there on likes, man. We're getting there. Dude, we looked at Mattel today. Those are the people that make like Hot Wheels and stuff, whatever. But we didn't look at Sweet Mother of God. It's a 3-minute chart, no wonder. Holy crap. Alright, we haven't looked at Hasbro in a while, but it looks like it played out wonderfully. Just bear with me a second, okay? Alright, you're up sloping channel, right? We're in it, and we had, you know, but then we also talked about 1 and 2 on the top, and then we said a falling wedge was very real. And hey, guess what, dude? From the high to low, we retraced not only 51 or 50%, 62%. We also had the 786 retrace before dumping so hard to lower lows to lower highs. Come on, man. Come on. So really, dude, really. Let's redo it now. Let's get fibs that are relevant to us. It was a bad, bad day for Hasbro as it was for Mattel. All the toy lords, toy overlords getting wrecked. Okay, high, low. What we do? We had a 50% retrace, 200-day moving average area, 93.15. Got as low today as 83.62 before rallying end of the day. And closing at 86.40, all right? So down 3.73%, but we were down, I think, over 6% at one point today. So sorry for the toy makers, sorry for the video game companies, except EA at this point. It seems like they've done their act together a little bit, right? So there you go, man. There you go. It had worked out for the wedge, but turned out to be a lower high than the previous high, and that's what we think the stock market could be doing. It's like nice rallies, nice runs still. Let's look at that. Thanks for the sub on YouTube. Oh my God, please don't be offended by what I said. But you can't even understand maybe what I said just now. I don't know. I don't know what is real anymore. Anybody? Excuse me. So what's happening? Are we counting down the likes? It's all good, man. Mattel, very nice for a fraud investigation. First earnings, wonderful for a 20% pump. Then a week later, guidance for 2019 revised lower. 20% potential dump. Nice thieves. Yeah, MK, man. Well, there you go, dude. There you go. It sucks. Harmonic House, Greg? Yeah, dude. Alright. What was the other one? Hold on. So look at Mattel today, look at Hasbro just now. What was it? Okay, so CZR. What was it? It gapped up today. Caesars. Okay, Caesars Entertainment Group. Oh, beautiful, man, beautiful. but we was gonna be kings in a downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then we dumped. We opened up. What was it? The reason was, you know, this Caesars Casino Entertainment Group. They opened like 7% higher, but then dumped and closed the day down 3%, 2.66%. Okay, and people were saying Carl Icahn was pushing this casino operator to sell itself, right? Sell off to another big fish. And here you go, man. Here you go. You just can't break the downsloping resistance, but they'll have you believe it was some reason why. Okay. High, higher high, lower levels relative strength, lower levels positive momentum, at a critical resistance point, coinciding variables. Let's go, dude. Caesars. One day I'll be there. One day, 10,000 subs. If we ever got there, I'd be in Vegas. Wow. Send me to Vegas. 10,000 subs. Kings. I mean, don't send me. Just, you know, make it to where we can all go together. It might be 3 years from now. Continues to dump Coca-Cola, but MK, it's Coca-Cola, dude. Have you been to Coca-Cola? We've been to Coca-Cola, dude. KO, dude. Knockout. That's what it stands for. Knockout. Oh my god. Did it not save, dude? Give me a break, man. There we go. Whatever, dude. So a beautiful looking channel on Coca-Cola. And yeah, dude, we fell below the 50 or the heart line really, and you broke below the 200-day moving average, and you just continued to sell off, and a huge sell off. We had, you know, last time we saw this, it was you know, when the dump happened on the whole stock market, when we were hitting the top trend line of the upsloping, crazy, beautiful, well-respected channel, but it's equidistant. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. The 25s, the heart lines, all around. Free rooms at the Bellagio, Billy, man. Because did you have big winnings, man? Did you win a game of war or pick a number between 1 and 10, Billy, man? Okay, y'all. Well, I don't know. Look, been live an hour and 34 minutes. Okay, you know how these streams are these days. They're just sentiment's down a little bit. Everything's down just a little bit, right? So it's just harder to have marathon streams. It's harder to maintain, right? As before, when the market had more liquidity and enthusiasm in it, right? But we're deflated. We're extremely deflated, and you know, really, I mean, it could take a while before sentiment comes back to this market, which is understandable, no problem. So look, I guess we can just end it on Coca-Cola, dude. Coca-Cola, man. All right. Peter Murphy, Matt Schaffer, Yulia, Star Wars Worlds, Jules Santana, man. Kang Logan, dude. Christopher Hamill, Billy, Skyward, these lectures were from the day stream. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for the contributions. Thanks for the new sub. Really appreciate it. So look, y'all. Very grateful for each and every one of you. I guess I'll just be back tomorrow. So until next time, respect to the T.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Hey traders, thanks so much for tuning into WRAY TA Mitch Ray Radio. That was By All Means, Boom Jinx and Andrew Bear. Coming up, we got yourself Numb Capsule by Gregory Asayan. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and sounds of the electronic. Thanks so much.
Bueller. Bueller.
May Kronos be with you.
MK, thanks so much, man, for the 420 contribution. What kind of contribution is that, man?
Is that a joint? Is that a joint?
Didn't good, man. Much love, man. King, baby, kings.
those turd nuggets?